how do you get the basic scientist to get interested in that problem? And I really, it really boils down to money. It really does, because
Always.
it's really going to be it's tough, because as a geneticist may not have the skill set to go through and do the basic scientist to know the exact, like I said earlier, about someone being focused on a certain problem. That's what it takes to actually get out the molecular mechanism by which a certain gene contributes to a certain disease. And I think that's where it takes this team approach. But I think, how are you going to get that other team, how are you going to get them involved?
Right.
And how are you going to get them funded for it? And I think that's really a tough problem.
And the funding, unfortunately, anyone who braves the funding mechanisms that are available today, you will find the harsh reality that if you do anything that specifically looks at health disparities from a basic science standpoint, you will have the hardest time getting funded.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, the reality is, as Amanda stated earlier, just now, we know that we have an intrinsic ability, or just habit, of focusing on things that we can relate to. So if I am from a particular background, then I'm going to be focused on things that relate to people and events from that background. So as an African American basic scientist, I want to study things that affect African Americans. That's just my thing.
That's normal.
Right.
But if I, as an African American scientist, write an R01 grant that has a focus on health disparities, that looks at minorities and particularly African Americans, the funding, the likelihood of funding goes down precipitously.
Yes.